Hello and welcome to Cosmecology, the clean skincare and makeup brand that performs better than premium brands out there. Before I get into why Cosmecology is different, let's talk about the facts of the beauty industry. So the US has not updated their cosmetic ingredient standards since 1938. So we monitor our food, but we're not monitoring anything that we're putting on our skin. Now, certain chemicals and cosmetic ingredients have been linked to a variety of health concerns. There's over 50 common allergens in cosmetic products, and there's over 120 acne-causing ingredients shown to trigger breakouts, redness, and irritation. Some synthetic fragrances and colorants can cause a myriad of skin problems. So here's what makes Cosmecology different. We're one of the cleanest skincare and color brands on the market today. It meets EU and Credo clean standards, performs better than premium brands, skin beneficial formulas without common allergenic ingredients, and we've got beautiful shades for all skin tones. It does not contain any of the aforementioned ingredients, and it never will. So let's talk about standards, right? So in the US, we've got the lowest standards here. We only ban 30 harmful ingredients, but in the EU, they've got the highest standards. They ban 2,500 plus harmful ingredients. Cosmecology products meet the EU standards. But we take it one step further. Cosmecology is also Credo clean. So what does that mean? Well, their definition serves really as the pillars for the Credo clean standard, which guides the organization and is the bellwether for the clean products movement. So what does this mean? Safety, right? So no risk to the consumer. It's got no harm to the environment when it comes to sourcing ingredients. It's sustainable. So ingredients that come from a sustainable ongoing source. We've got clean ethics, no unfair practices, transparency, so there's no questions regarding any of the above, and Cosmecology meets these standards. Premium performance. So this is really big, right? Because if you go to some of the natural brands, the clean brands, they don't always work as good as the brands that got all the junk in it, right? That was my experience with makeup. Is every time I went clean, I didn't even look like I was wearing makeup, and every time I went dirty on makeups, my skin would break out, react, and I had to wear makeup after that to hide all the havoc that it was wreaking. So we've got premium performance with our products here. Skincare formulas that deliver anti-aging results. It's clinically proven ingredients. Skincare and color products that work together for a healthy, flawless complexion. And it's got perfect laydown and buildable makeup shades, and it lasts all day. So let's get into our products. So let's talk about Cosmecology skincare, and I'm just going to tell you guys I've been using this for quite a while, and it has made just such a difference in my skin texture, the skin tone, no more breakouts. I mean, it's just incredible. This is a plant-based formula with clinically proven anti-aging results. It's fragrance-free. It's free of colorants, parabens, paraffins, acne-causing ingredients, and more. Skin-renewing anti-aging results that you're literally not going to believe. And then I'm going to tell you guys, I really noticed the difference after my first use. So this is definitely a product line that you want to try. Let's talk about our color products. So these are skin beneficial ingredients. It's actually kind of incredible. It's like skincare and makeup rolled into one. It's really amazing how the color lays down. There's no acne causing ingredients. It's safe for your skin, lasts all day, and we've had several makeup artists use it, love it, and honestly prefer it to everything else that's out there. Now this is our moisturizing primer, our concealer, our liquid foundation, pressed powder, and our blush. This makes up the Aura line within Cosmecology. Sol is our natural goddess, our karma and divine, and actually our limited edition MDC and Hempworks palettes. These are our eyeshadow palettes. These are phenomenal. They look just amazing. What I love is you can go natural, you can wear them really light, or you can build upon them and make them very, dark and dramatic. We've got eyeliners, brow pencils, you name it, and some of these tools actually have sharpeners on them. Just in case you want that sharp cat eye look, you can make that with these products. Nova is our lip products within Cosmecology. We've got lip gloss and lip liner. Here's a few of our testimonies. We've got proven performance, beautiful results. As you can see some of these before and afters. Tiffany says, who's looking for makeup that's actually good for your skin? I know I was, and to find out, one with a decent price tag. I'm a 40-year-old mother who's trying not to age my skin any faster. Since using this incredible bundle, I feel like I look airbrushed, and it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing makeup. It's so soft and light. Candice Bird Davis says, finally a quality makeup that doesn't wreak havoc on your face. As a woman with more mature skin, it was hard to find a makeup that didn't cake up or make my fine lines more noticeable. I've noticed that it's safe to wear daily and for long periods of time without having to worry about having breakouts from excessive use. I confidently threw away most of my top brand makeup when I started using Cosmecology. Jessica and Cynthia also had amazing results as well. So here's just a quick snapshot of our pricing. As you can see, we're coming in right under those competitors on the market. We go, really neck and neck with the best out there. But here's some of my favorite products in our bundles. So we got a skincare bundle for $249 and our Cosmecology makeup bundle, which is $209. It's a very easy way to get started and to create that successful business with Cosmecology. The beauty industry is massive and it's not going away anytime soon. This is a real opportunity for you to really get in, start your business, and create that lifestyle that you're really looking for. We've got products and services for everybody. We have a very generous compensation plan. We pay up to 85% of the volume that's generated. There's actually 8 different ways you get paid. We give you free marketing tools, a website, and prospecting tools, and you get to receive top executive and leadership mentorship from the best of the best. And lastly, we've got a community dedicated to your success. So really quickly, here's how we get paid. Okay, so we've got a customer acquisition bonus. This is something we pay every single week. Affiliates can earn commissions from sales to preferred customers, and you can earn up to 50% of the BV or the business volume generated from your personally enrolled customers every time they order. Now we've got Jumpstart bonuses. It's kind of like the customer acquisition bonus, except it's geared towards getting your new affiliates started. So you can earn infinite levels of weekly commissions every time new affiliates in your downline join with a product order. We've got rank bonuses, one time and ongoing. You can earn up to $500,000 in rank bonuses for hitting the top rank in our compensation plan. We've got binary commissions, or in other words, this is our monthly commissions. Now you can earn 10 to 20% on your lesser leg of volume from affiliate and customer subscriptions each month. We've got check matching. This is probably my favorite way to get paid. You earn a matching bonus on your affiliates' binary commissions up to infinite levels. There's no limit to how much you can earn with check matching. And lastly, we've got a global bonus pool. So the company sets aside 2% of the total business volume company-wide every month, and we pay it out in shares to qualified affiliates. So you get to have 1 share for every 4 affiliates or customers you enroll on a 40-point order. Now these are our bonuses, right? So the monthly rank bonuses, they go all the way from $50 a month to $100,000 a month. These are ongoing. So when you're maintaining your rank, we're going to reward you for that. And then our customer mastery bonus. This is incredible. You can earn up to $20,000 in additional income on your entire organization based off of those customer orders. Now there's 2 ways to get involved and join My Daily Choice. 1, make money, enroll as an affiliate, or 2, save money and shop as a customer. So what you want to do is create that free account and then go to the store and shop for your products. Now you can come in for free. You're going to get a little bit of commissions, or you can go big and go executive. That's shopping for a 90-point order. You're going to get 50% of the customer acquisition bonuses, 4 levels of jump starts right out the gates, and a 15% in the binary. So you could become a customer. If affiliate or sales isn't for you, or you're not sure, and you want to just try the product, this is a great place to begin. Sign up as an MDC preferred customer to get access to sales, discounts, and products at member pricing. You can upgrade to affiliate at any time. What's cool is you can subscribe to save. You get a discount when you put your products on subscription, and it's super easy, and you can have items sent to you every 30 or 60 days. Now here's some of our member rewards. You can subscribe to save on your products for up to 20% off. And this is monthly recurring subscription of your favorite My Daily Choice products. You can choose a combination of any products and it will be automatically shipped to your doorstep every month, completely hassle-free. You can refer a friend if you're a customer and get $10. So we reward our customers with a $10 gift card every time they refer a friend who spends $25 or more. And lastly, you can earn up to $30 a month in loyalty rewards towards products, so you can get free products. Affiliates and customers can earn up to $30 a month in loyalty rewards, which can be used towards product purchases. Our customers and affiliates are the driving force at My Daily Choice, and to recognize them for their loyalty, we reward them with spending $100 to $300 monthly on subscription purchases. And lastly, I want to share this with you guys. It's our favorite quote: the future belongs to those who see possibilities before they become obvious. And so if you see your future here, and maybe not everybody else around you in your circle does, but if you see a future here, you see a better life for yourself, then now's the time to get started. Get started today. Make the choice. Join my daily choice. Get in with Cosmicology, and we'll see you at the top.